Yes, my name's Topher Haddad. I am one of the co-founders and the CEO at Albedo, where we're building low-flying satellites that will collect imagery of the Earth at the highest resolution available commercially. So if I were to describe Superhuman, I would say, it's a really fast email client that's thoughtfully designed and built to decrease the amount of time you spend in your inbox. We onboarded Superhuman, I think, when it was still just 3 co-founders, and as in most companies, and especially for us, with a bunch of different external groups between hardware vendors and investors and customers, and you're just in email all day, right? Like that's where most people live. You triage the inbox in one sitting. Try not to leave it for a Slack notification or whatever, and archive stuff, set reminders for later, things like that. And so I think from a workflow perspective, being able to partition parts of your day, not be as distracted, and get in those flow states is how it's probably affected all of us. The one-on-one onboarding process is really, I think, key to Superhuman. They encourage it, and at first I was like, whatever. But really the philosophies that they encourage through that, and how to use the keyboard shortcuts, how to triage the inbox, how to use splits, and things like that. For us, it was pretty instant, and then especially over the first month or two, you get it. You spend less time in your inbox. You have this specific approach to how you do emails, how you triage. I think it's very worth it, especially if you're a founder, if you're in sales, if you're spending a lot of time in inbox and communicating with a lot of external parties. It's awesome. It's great.